All right, welcome to Coin Money Guru, and today it's a very beautiful morning again, and we start our journey. We start our video with a positive news about the crypto market, and crypto market right now is in green mode when at the time of recording this video. Okay, Edward Snowden says 6 trillion in stimulus is good for Bitcoin. Yes, excuse me, sorry. And the infamous whistleblower and privacy activist Edward Snowden commented on Bitcoin on Friday after the Biden administration said this week it was shooting for $6 trillion in stimulus proposal. Following the $6 trillion in stimulus headline, Snowden commented on the situation and said it was good for Bitcoin. Yes, because when the 6 trillion money will come in the market in the US economy and will spread in the people's hand, then those 6 trillion will also some of into those 6 trillion, some big money will definitely go to Bitcoin and other crypto assets in future. Yes, so that's why it's good for Bitcoin. And right now US, another positive news, US convinced store chain sheets to accept cryptocurrencies for payment. Yes, the American chain of convenience stores and coffee shops, yes, right now I forget my coffee. Yes, coffee shop and coffee shop sheets announced on Thursday that the firm would be accepting digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin for payments. The major mid-Atlantic chain executive payments manager says accepting crypto assets, accepting bolsters Sheets mission to provide customer with the ultimate one-stop shop. Yes, ultimate one-stop shop. And now we come to the main market, our beloved crypto market. Yes, it is right now at 1.61 trillion, 2.78% up, and all our Kingcoin, our Bitcoin is high, up at 36,775, and Ethereum is 2,618. And today we will talk about a very good opportunity, altcoin, because everybody talk about Ethereum, Cardano, Doge, and others, XRP. Those are very good coins for good investment, but it's not good right now. It's not good because for those who have yet to enter in the crypto market, because these already have gained so much. I told every time that Cardano, I purchased that, I bought at 3.5 cent, and right now you can see Cardano's price is 1.66. Yes, $1.66. This is the Cardano price right now. And so today we will talk about a very good altcoin opportunity for long time holding, because first, this video is not for those who just want to make overnight money in crypto markets. If you want to make good money in any business, like in shop and business, in franchisee, in Amazon business, in online business, in any business, then property business, then in stock market, then you have to choose a very good asset first. You have to look the market, you have to look the customer base, you have to look the demand and supply of those products, and you have to look every corner of the thing, then product market, then you go to invest, and then when you invest, then you hold that investment for a long time, then only you make money. So if you have plan to invest for a long time, then enter in the market, crypto market. Otherwise, don't save your money, don't enter in the crypto market. And this is not a financial, I'm not a financial advisor. I just make videos for you, whatever I believe in to do, whatever is my own experience, I tell you, because I am in the crypto market from the last 8 to 9 years and made many millions. From my own experience. Nobody taught me. Nobody taught me everything. Nobody told me that how to do, what to do, when to do, everything. Nobody did told me. But when I think that if somebody guided me at that time, maybe whatever the money I made right now, maybe if somebody guided me like I from his or her experience, genuine experience, then maybe my those millions would maybe more than 100 million. Yes, so that's why I want that when you enter in the market, you must have some experience, some knowledge about the market. So that's why I make genuine videos, genuine advice. But it's my humble request that I'm not financial advisor. Do your own research before investing, because it's your money, your hard-earned money, and its risk will be yours. So now we will talk about a coin, District0x. Yes, District0x. It's on the 308 rank right now, and its market price is 18 cent. Year low is below, near about half cent, we can see, and year high is 49 cent. 49 half cent to 49 cent, 50 cent, we can see. 1 year low half cent, around half cent, and 1 year low around 50 cent. So what is District, from how long it was in market, everything we will see about it in this video. And what will be the price prediction, I will tell you in the last of this video. So please see complete video, watch this complete video till end, till last. It's a token right now on crypto coin market caps rank is 308, and took watch list. It's on watch list of more than 23,000 people, and Ethereum based token. And what is it? It's a platform, payment, reputation, all these things, and it is in the market from around, I think, August 2017. Yes, and it was at this price. Yes, at this price type it was at this price. And from October, yes, from November it started to gain price like this. Yes, so you will see this is the price right now. It's trading. And what is it? It is already listed. First we see how many exchanges it is listed. It is listed on world's biggest good exchanges like Binance, like Coinbase exchange, because Coinbase, you already know that it's a US biggest crypto exchange. Binance is also a biggest crypto exchange, and other crypto exchanges it is listed on right now. More than 22 marketplace it is listed. And now we go to this website, District website. It is a platform for providing a network of decentralized marketplaces and communities, create, operate, and govern Web3 is powered by Ethereum, Aragon, and IPFS. Okay, what are districts? Districts are decentralized applications, marketplaces, and communities that exist as non-custodial, censorship resistant DAOs on the District0x network. All internet citizens will be able to deploy districts to the network free of charge forever. Our District include the following care functionalities and can be extended and auxiliary modules as the creator see fit. So by using District token, District marketplace, District platform, you can launch your own District network power. You can launch your own network powered by District. Decentralized marketplace you can launch like here is a Name Bazaar is a peer-to-peer marketplace for exchange of ENS domains. Okay, Athlons launched 2007 and revamped on layer 2 in 2008-21. Athlons is a decentralized job market portal for everyone from freelancer to full-time career seekers. You can see that many, because right now we are in a world of work at home. Already you know that people love to work at home. It's from the comfort of their homes, and already it is necessity for future, because we already by going through from the COVID-19 coronavirus type problem. So a message came as well. So future is for work at home, and many job portals, freelance portals are coming online to give this opportunity to the people who are willing to work at home from home. And Atlas is one of them marketplace, and Name Bazaar is for domain marketplace, and Mem Factory is a District0x Mem Factory provides an interface for creating of Mem NFTs as probably rare digital assets on the Ethereum blockchain. And Hagex is fully decentralized, non-custodial secondary auction marketplace on Ethereum. You can see many good projects are launched on using District0x marketplace. And what is the future, that I will tell you. And first we will talk about the team. About District0x project was founded in February 2017 with the goal of launching a network of decentralized marketplaces to eliminate rent seeking facilities, communities, governed economies, and to relinquish third-party data collection. Okay, and our mission, we can see the mission here is the District mission. And now we come to the main thing, how big community they have built. On Reddit they have more than 10,000 members. From those, when we are recording this, with 83 persons are online, and they also have a Discord form. They also have Twitter followers, more than 69k followers they have on Twitter. And now come to the main point, what is the future of District? If everything will go in right direction, our beloved Kingcoin, which is Bitcoin, will start moving in upward move as per my price point, because here District getting more and more liquidity from Binance, from Coinbase exchange and others, Gate.io, Uniswap. From if you invest at this point, if everything will be good and Bitcoin start going upward, you may see price of District around 75 cent to 80 cent. Yes, 75 cent to 80 cent. It means your money will be 3.5 times or 4 times from your investment. Let's see, if you invested $1,000 in District, in future your money will be 4 times, means 3,500 to 4,000. Maybe your money will go to that point. But before investing, do your own research, because it's your money, it's your risk. So do not follow anyone, just do your own research before investing. I try to give maximum information whatever I have. I also already make chart like this, like Coinbase it is listed, Binance it is listed, Bittrex it is listed, Gate.io it is listed, HBTC, HitBTC it is listed, USDT pair it have already have. A venture capital firm already have invested it in, and watchlist it's more than 23,000 people right now, and more than Twitter, more than they have 69,000 followers they have. Rank they right now, when the video I created, I am recording, it's on 308 rank, and it's a short form is DNT ticker district. Yes, DNT it's short form ticker. Platform token work. Yes, it is providing a good platform to launch decentralized marketplace, decentralized services, decentralized websites. It is good investment in long run, but before investing do your own research. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, share the video with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, so they can benefit from by investing in such most undervalued crypto assets. And also make a good comment, so from your comment I will know that whatever more information you want to know from me. And please also hit the like button, because your like will give me a boost, your like will give me encouragement to make more and more videos with good deep analyzed and deep researched videos for you. And thank you, Alvida, bye bye.